So Brandon, I understand that you were part of the first responders.
I was. I came down with Team Rubicon when Hurricane Harvey struck, and we brought a small team down, some boats, and started pulling people out of the water in Houston. Worked our way east.
Must have been pretty awful. Can you explain to me about Team Rubicon?
Yeah, Team Rubicon's a veterans-based disaster response organization. We travel around the world and help people right after disaster strikes.
Wow, are you a veteran?
I am. I did 8 years in the Marine Corps.
Well, thank you for your service. Well, it seems like the veterans are unique for that type of situation. A disaster is happening, you got to solve a lot of problems and help people quickly.
Yeah, the skill set's very unique. You have a group of people who thrive in chaos, who make decisive decisions. They can work in a team no matter who it is, and they're used to the most austere environments in the world. It makes a perfect person to respond to disasters.
Well, we're lucky to have you. So now that the floodwaters have receded, what are you guys doing now?
We're doing a lot of the rebuild and relief work. We're helping homeowners get ready for the next step so they can rebuild and try to get back to some semblance of normalcy. We've actually got a job going on right down the street if you want to take a look at it.
I absolutely do. Lead the way.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Okay.
So this neighborhood here was actually under 10 to 20 feet of water.
Wow, that's a lot of water.
That's a lot. You can actually still see the line up on the house here.
Yeah, it went right up through those windows there.
Right, all the way up to the second floor here.
Jeez.
Right, now the big problem is for these homeowners, their house is a total loss. They're ready to rebuild. They still have to tear the house down.
Yeah.
And that's a $10,000 to $20,000 cost to them.
Oh, easy.
Right, and we do it for free.
For free?
For free.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, they don't believe us either.
Yeah, well, listen, I'd love to meet the homeowner. Is she around?
Absolutely, she's inside taking a last look if you want to meet her.
I do, thanks.
All right.
Hello.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, I'm Terry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sad about these circumstances.
Yes,
but
sir. 30 years of raising a family here.
You raised your family in this home.
I
You must have a
did.
lot of memories.
A lot of good memories.
Yeah.
And, well, this is my kitchen, and you're standing in the living room.
Wow.
And right out front here, it would continue. This was a porch covering, and this was our entrance.
Oh, so that was a room outside
It's
there?
a room. The tile continued out, and this was a sliding glass door here. And then over here was our dining room, and it had a patio door. The porch collapsed on all of that.
Wow.
And then, of course, we had the upstairs.
Big loft up there.
Big loft. We had it closed in for a bedroom and 2 bedrooms and a bathroom downstairs.
Wow.
But yeah, we raised the family and all their friends. We had a lot of good memories here.
Well, it definitely is in trouble right now.
It is in big trouble. Harvey did its damage.
Yeah, and I can see why they have to take it down.
Yes, we're going to press forward. Good times ahead.
It sure is. Well, I think they want to get started.
Okay,
So
well,
we should get out of here.
Let's do it.
Well, there you go, guys. The house is down. What are you thinking?
The end of an era.
The end of an era.
Very sad.
Yeah, but you know what? This is the beginning now.
That's right, a
We're gonna
new
start
beginning.
fresh.
That's right.
Yeah. Well, they did a great job.
They certainly did.
And Brandon, you guys are fantastic. I can't thank you enough for what you and your team of volunteers are doing for a lot of people like Terry and their family.
Just here to help. Glad we could help.
Doing a great job, and thank you for your service.
Thank you.